How to get unbanned from Grindr, Easy Steps 2024. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can get unbanned from Grindr and Easy Steps in 2024. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you have been banned on Grindr for some particular reason, there are a couple of reasons as to why it happens. Grindr usually does this whenever they notice any sort of suspicious activity from your account. So if you happen to conduct any suspicious activity, Grindr will ban your account. Now, in order to get unbanned, there are a couple of steps we can take. First of all, long press the Grindr app icon, then tap the I button to come to its app info page. From here, simply scroll down, then just look for the option called storage. In my case, it is right at the top. Then from here, just tap on the clear data option from the bottom, then tap on clear all data and tap the OK button. Now, after you have done that, in order to actually get unbanned, you have to use a VPN. Now you can download any sort of VPN applications that are available on your Play Store or your App Store here, because what VPN does is that it's going to help you change the IP address, which in this case is going to let Grindr think that you are not the one whose account was banned. So when you change the IP address after connecting to a VPN, if you don't want to install a VPN, you can also simply try using a mobile data. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can just try switching to mobile data. If you're using mobile data, you can try switching to Wi-Fi. And then you can open up the application, connect to any of the VPN, and now you can try to log in to see if that helps. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically get unbanned from Grindr. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.